Hi guys, welcome back. I have another layout share. I did two in the last couple days because I did a couple of layouts at Erica Rose Creates crop she had. So I did not film. So here we go. I thought I would do a layout share like Moira does because, you know, she does it. It has to be cool, right? That's my theory. Anywho. So this kit is a ScrapRoom kit and it is Fancy Pants. Let's see. Fancy Pants, what is it called again? My Type. And this was a really fun sketch to play along with as well because I don't look at the sketch and then pull product. I just kind of like wing it. So this came together really nicely considering that. I mean, also I hadn't used this kit before from the ScrapRoom, so I had a lot of product to choose from, which is really helpful. So let's look at the sketch. This is crafted by Karen Foster, especially for 30 days of sketches. So she's got this great mandala kind of dealio up here, picks, a cluster here, and a different pattern paper or cardstock or whatever down here. Super cool. Thank you so much. And Kristen Foster, it is scrapping on the fly is her handle, it looks like. So what I have is a gorgeous, gorgeous floral, super gorgeous. I used another pattern paper on the bottom because if I can use pattern, I'm gonna do it. This kit also came with this really great lace, and I've seen it in blue on somebody's layout. I got this really pretty vanilla tone. One of the pattern papers was full of these scallops, so I thought I'd just go ahead and detail cut them out because why not? I thought that would be really fun. And then I started adding my clusters. So I've got this piece up here. It's like a library card. I added a floral, a pencil, and the little stamp. And my kit came with these alphas. So I have N and S for Nick and Shay. It also came with some enamel dots. So perfect finishing touch. My photo I matted a bunch of times. The kit came with 6x8 papers, so that was really great for matting. And I added this little piece, Happily Ever After, just because I liked it and it fit. No other big reason. That's a Mission Point lighthouse outside of Traverse City up on the peninsula, in case you wanted to know. Oh, Mission Point lighthouse. Look at how clever I am. And then down here, I have a little envelope. It says TC for Traverse City, and this will make a great story one day, is up on a little bit of foam. And then I just finished that with some gold Jen Hadfield splatty bits. These alphas, let's see, I have them right over here. These were from the Indigo and Ivy collection from Pink Paisley that I picked up at Tuesday morning when Tuesday morning used to have the Good in January of 20. So let's see, anything else to tell you? Oh, my kit that I have left over. Yikes, little piece there. I have plenty, so I won't be breaking down this kit. I've got this really nice reddish wood grain still, and this piece that looks like wallpaper. So if I have a full-size pattern paper, I do not break them down. I've got this great piece that I detail cut out one of the doilies and then didn't use it. And this was one of those 6x8 pieces. So was this. And then this is how I told you that the one piece had the banners. And this blue on blue star piece is what you see down here. So aside from that, I still have some alphas, enamel dots, die cuts, and then these Pink Fresh gems, which I cannot believe I didn't use because they're so gorgeous. So that is what I have going on for that. It is beautiful and awesome and cool and all good things. Really great product. And yeah, that's what I got done like towards this hop at the at Erica Rose Creates hop. So now I just got to take a couple pictures of these goodies and get it up there. So I know it's a really short video. Normally, you know, I'm babbling along. And then for through day 30, it's going to be back to regular programming using ScrapRoom kits, but, you know, more of a process video kind of thing. So I will have links on down below, so you know. I'll have links on down below for the other people who are hopping along. And if y'all have any questions about whatevs, just go ahead and leave it, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can, down in the thingy. Okay, comments section. So that is it for the moment, guys. I will be back ever so soon with another video. Bye, guys.